Hi Emma, we're looking at exercise 29 in your math workbook, and I can't even read that page number, page 59 it looks like. It is page 59. So if you want to pause the video and make sure that you're on page 59, do that now. Okay, you'll notice I made another number line at the bottom of my paper. So if we want to make a number line or use a number line we already have, that might make your math a little bit easier today. And we're adding. That says add right there. And so when we add, we're going forward on the number line because our numbers are going to get bigger. Now this is an interesting exercise because it's showing you two different directions. We're going across and we're going up and down. So we're going to go across first. And it shows you right here that you've got three numbers to add together. 1, 6, and 5. So we're going to start with 1 and then add our second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we add our third number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we get 12. 1 plus 6 plus 5 equals 12. And we're going to write 12 in our workbook. Now let's look at the second row. 8 plus 4 plus 0. We'll start with 8 on our number line, and we'll go forward 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 0. Oops, you can't go forward on a 0, so you stay put. That's a 12. 8 plus 4 plus 0 is 12. So we'll write 12 in our workbook. Now let's look at the third row. 3 plus 2 plus 7. There's 3. We'll go forward 2, 1, 2, and then we'll go forward 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we get 12. That's interesting. Do you notice a pattern? We have 12, 12, and 12. That was 3 different ways to make 12 just there. Now we've done all of our sideways rows. Let's look at our columns. 1 plus 8 plus 3. Start with 1 and then go 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 8 plus 3 equals 12. Can you guess what this number might be based on the pattern we've been seeing? 12, 12, 12, 12. Let's see if we're right. Let's look at the next column. 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals. We'll start with 6 and go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then add 2. 1, 2. Were we right? Let's write a 12 right there in our workbook. Although when you write it, get it inside the circle. Let's look at the last column in this box. 5 plus 0 plus 7. Start with 5, and then you can't move forward any for 0, so we just stay put. And then when we add 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we land on 12. Which isn't very surprising because all of these were 12. Now let's look at the last box. Starting with the first row, 2 plus 7 plus 6. Start with 2 and then add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we get 15. Whoops, wrong box. This box, 15. Now let's look at the second row. 9 plus 5 plus 1. 9 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 is 15. Let's look at the third row. 4 plus 3 plus 8. We'll start with 4 and add 3. 1, 2, 3, and then add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we get 15. Do you notice another pattern? Let's look at the next. This time we're doing the column. 2 plus 9 plus 4. We'll start with 2 and then add 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we get 15. Let's look at this column. 7 plus 5 plus 3. Start with 7, add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then add 3. 1, 2, 3. And we get 15. Now let's look at the last column. 6 plus 1 plus 8. What do you think the answer will be? We'll start with 6 and go ahead 1 and then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15.